Leaving a place full of memories is always hard. Every spot reminds you of the good times and the people who made those moments special. It's like leaving a part of yourself behind, knowing you can visit again, but things will never be quite the same. The sadness you feel when leaving shows how much those experiences mean to you, and those memories will always stay with you, no matter where you go. Let me just share you a story about a small girl who came to Delhi at the age of 19. As a small town girl, it felt like stepping into a completely different world. Over the past 7 years, the city has taught me so much that Delhi showed me how to be strong and adapt to a fast moving life. It taught me to face challenges and find opportunities even in tough situations. Living here opened my mind to new culture and ideas, making me see the world in a broader way. Over time, Delhi became more than just a city, it became my home. I've made friends who feel like family, and together we have created a support system that makes this big city feel warm and welcoming. I also met the love of my life in this city. There were times when I wanted to step back in my life, but my instincts never let me. From childhood, I grew up as a fighter, always pushing through my challenges. I feel blessed to be in safer hands now with someone who truly cares for me. Over the years, I built strong boundaries to protect myself, and I never allowed anyone to cross them. But my boyfriend has shown me so much love, trust, and affirmation that for the first time, I feel my once guarded, masculine energy softening into a more feminine one. His support has helped me feel safe enough to embrace vulnerability and open my heart in ways I never thought possible. Growing up with a lot of trauma made me long for a space where I could be alone, away from the toxic environments and the constant fear of judgment. I've always wanted to create a place where I could feel truly safe and at peace. So, whenever I rent a place, I put a lot of time, effort, and love into making it my own little sanctuary. It becomes more than just a living space, it's a reflection of the comfort and security I have always dreamt of. Because of this deep connection, leaving the space behind is never easy. It feels like leaving a piece of myself behind. Peanut, इधर आओ. Finally, this is the end of a phase where I created a lot of memories and we are going away. Let's see how our future beholds. It's an empty house. The time when we started actually, like I started, he shifted later. तो उसके बाद ही मैंने ये घर पूरा ये इतना खाली घर मैंने पूरा घर घर टाइप का बनाया था एंड आई एम लिटिल बिट सैड ऑफ कोर्स आई लॉट ऑफ अटैचमेंट with my things. I'm a big memory holder, even though with my clothes, maybe with my anything like anything which I actually love. Unless humans. Usually I don't invest much. Like when I met him, he know me. I don't keep much things because I used to travel a lot. I don't know how I actually felt this house as my own home, and I started gathering things. Yes, of course. In the coming days, we'll make memories in other places, but I don't know where we will be in the coming 5 years. And since I'm not able to make much vlogs because these days I am super busy with my work shifting, and this is super hectic. So yeah, I'll miss this place. I'll miss every corner of this house. I'll miss the memories I've created over here with my friends, family, with Nikhil, with him, and of course him. He just doesn't want to leave his elephant. Now I'll be traveling to my hometown. I'll be showing you my hometown, past my childhood over there. Yeah, lots of things to come over in the coming vlogs. बोलो.
ओ सब तो बोल दिया.
सब तो बोल के बाद में वैसे कैसा लग रहा है, मतलब वैसे अभी?
कुछ नहीं, नया चैप्टर है.
Yeah, we are starting a new phase. It's the end of everything like this. Like हम लोग को कुछ पता नहीं है अभी. We are not sure of anything. हम लोग बस निकल रहे हैं यहाँ से. He is very excited, of course. He'll be traveling to my hometown for the first time. घर वालों को मिलेंगे. And this will be the most memorable one. Pan stains, like these are. How are you feeling in Bihar? How is the chai? पहले दिखाना चाहिए.
तो पूरा पहाड़ों का व्यू.
मम्मा नानी का घर. Helping him with gamusa. Ooh.